You need to have an access area to get into the attic. This is nothing fancy, but we wanted a little more easy access than the closet space that seemed a little too narrow and wouldn't have space for a ladder. That's why we did this in the bedroom. Remember in video number 8 we installed these furring strips to support the drywall. Well, we cut the drywall and those strips between two ceiling joists to make the hole in the attic. These 1x4s are screwed through the drywall and into the ceiling joists. They sit just inside the hole so that the hole cover we cut to fit has something to sit on. To make sure it's airtight, I added a rubber seal all the way around the hole. We sprayed foam insulation under the studs to keep the blown-in insulation from dropping down every time I go into the attic. I also nailed plywood around the ceiling joists, and board I added so that it would hold the blown-in insulation back at a height higher than the joists. I did not want a thin piece of plywood to be the only thing between the bedroom and the attic. I wanted a well-insulated cover that didn't have insulation sliding off when I moved it, so this is what I did. I measured, cut, and glued foam board pieces together to the top of the access cover and then filled it with leftover insulation pieces. You can see it is close to flush with the edge of the access cover. This insulated cover has been the good answer to having a fully insulated ceiling. In the attic, I nailed some 2x4s on top of the ceiling joists to rest the cover when I push it up. Nearly everything used in this video was from remnants, so there was little cost. I only needed to buy the blue foam board and foam spray.